Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll be doing question number 15 and 16 of the exercise 6.3. So let's start. Hey guys, welcome back. To learn the triangles chapter in an easy and simple manner, do watch all my videos of this chapter so that you get the grip on the concepts and the problems of this chapter. For the basics of this chapter and the BPT theorem and also previous exercises, you can get the link from the description. So now we'll start the today's discussion. The 15th question says a vertical pole of length 6 cm cast a shadow of 4 meter long on the ground, and at the same time a tower cast a shadow of 28 meter long. Find the height of the tower. So first I need to draw a vertical pole and then a shadow. So this is the vertical pole and this is the sun ray, and this is the shadow. In the first case they gave the vertical pole is 6 meters. So this is 6 meter, and same way the shadow is 4 meter. And also they gave a tower whose shadow is 28 meter. Same way tower whose shadow is 28 meter, and we need to find the height of the tower. So we'll name the triangles as A, B, C and P, Q, R. Now we need to take in triangle ABC and triangle PQR. In the question they are telling that at the same time, means the sun rays is reflecting on the pole and the tower at the same time. So can I tell this angle will be equal to this angle? And same way the vertical pole and the tower are vertical, so this will be equal to this, that nothing but 90 degree. So I can tell angle C is equal to angle R. And same way angle B is equal to angle Q is equal to 90 degree. So by angle similarity, I can tell triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Now I have shown that these two triangles are similar. Now I can tell that their corresponding sides will be proportional. Nothing but AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR. BC by QR. So substituting the values, AB is 6 by PQ is H, we need to find BC is 4, QR is 28. So cross multiplying, 4 into H is equal to 6 into 28. So H is equal to 6 into 28 by 4. 2 2s are, 2 3s are, 2 1s are 2, 14s are. So H is equal to 3 into 14. Nothing but H is equal to 3 into 14 is 42 meter. So we have found the height of the tower. The 16th question says, if AD and PM are the medians of triangle ABC and triangle PQR respectively, where triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, prove that AB by PQ is equal to AD by PM. So first we need to draw the diagrams. Draw triangle ABC and PQR. This is A, B, C, P, Q, R, and also median AD and PM. So AD and PM. Median means can I tell this and this will be equal? Same with this is equal to this. Now write the given part. So given is they gave triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, and also AD and PM are medians. to prove AB by PQ is equal to AD by PM. So when I see this to prove AB by PQ is equal to AD by PM, nothing but I need to prove the similarity of this triangle and then this triangle. So that after that I can tell the corresponding sides are proportional. So first proof. Here can I write BC is equal to 2BD. Same way here also QR is equal to 2QM. Now take the given part. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Can I tell that their corresponding sides are proportional? Nothing but AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR is equal to BC by QR. Corresponding sides are proportional. Same way I can tell angles also equal. So angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q, and angle C is equal to angle R. Same. Corresponding angles are equal. Now I'll be taking this one. So I'll be taking AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR. Why? Because I did not require this AC by PR, because I need to prove the similarity of this triangle and this triangle. So AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR. Now in place of BC, can I write 2BD? Same way in place of QR, I'll be writing 2QM. 2 gets cancelled. So AB by PQ is equal to BD by QM. Nothing but this by this is equal to BD by QM. So now we got the two corresponding sides are proportional, and also we know angle B is equal to angle Q. So by side, angle, side, I can tell that this triangle is proportional to this triangle. So we'll write the procedure. In triangle ABD and triangle PQM, we know angle B is equal to angle Q. Nothing but proved above, or you can give the reference number, and also let this be 1. Same way AB by PQ is equal to BD by QM from 1. So I can tell by SAS similarity, triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQM. Now I proved the similarity. So now go to prove. They gave AB by PQ. So mark the sides. AB by PQ is equal to AD by PM. AD by PM. So I can tell AB by PQ is equal to AD by PM. Nothing but corresponding sides are proportional. So we proved, hence proved. So the session completes here. I hope you understood the today's sums. Do practice the sums regularly. In the next video, I'll be discussing the theorem of areas of similar triangles, which is also as important as BPT theorem. Do subscribe to this channel so that you get the notification of my latest video, and also share this with your friends and spread the knowledge. Thank you and Jai Hind.